So, verification came through, and guess who is at the airport? Yeah, it's been a little bit crazy, a bag of something, the logistics associated with flying right now can be quite chaotic, to say the least. A little baby a runway, like they always do. So, on my way to the flight, after I moved fast, verification came in. They had to call the airline. Then I had to rebook. It was rebooked on the same day. It was like hours to go, so look a bit of drama there. So then I had to change the hotel and da 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 da. In the end, I'm going to Kenya, but I'm not going to South Africa. So I'm just going to go to Kenya, keep it simple, and learn a lot, share a lot with you all, don't it? See it? You make it know what I'm going, all right? And myself, when I go juggling with my partner one here, you see, don't it? Mad. All right. I think I'm going to make it. All right, look more. Soon forward. Yeah, man, there, I wait. So the gate there. Wait for them and thing. I guess them soon start board, It's a direct flight to Kenya. It's 14 hours. 14 hours. Yep. It's 14 hours to go, but 15 hours to come, 14 hours, yeah. That's fairly common though, that one way longer than the other way for flights, But anyway, I'm just wait for board and thing, and when I reach over to my link, I make know what I go on. But again, 14 hours. I one of them flight there, you have to sleep and wake up and sleep and wake up and sleep and wake up. And I know you don't reach it, See them ready for board there now. I roll out. Kenya, here I come. See? All time fan big up. Spray them crew large up. Hansness crew, all a small big up too, yeah? Yeah, man, we jump on the other side, we shout the eye them, alright? Blessings, cool. Sit right in my seat, Alright. 29 seat, clutch and everything. Talk to him, 14, 15 hours later. You don't know, you come out and plane, you have the immigration and all that thing there, so. Tomorrow thing, see? Safety and protection too, We're good, man. We're on the road. Well, we're in the air. We will be in the air. Big up on yourself, alright? Talk to you on the other side. Bless you.